How to install and use. Install the handle brackets on both sides. First install the rear bracket, then install the front bracket. Install the handle. Attach the curved handle to part A. Attach the flat handle to part B. Replacing the fuse, push the fuse inward, then turn it counterclockwise to remove. If the fuse is blown, replace it with a new one. Insert by pushing in first, then turning clockwise to lock. Plug in the power and turn on the device. Interface introduction. Automatic mode and manual mode. Automatic mode. Select gender. Select age. Select the corresponding part according to the operation part. The energy and RF of handles A and B can be adjusted separately. After adjusting the energy, activate the handle to begin operation. Handles A and B can be controlled individually or turned on simultaneously. Mode operation time. Appropriately increase the energy during the operation process. Manual mode. Setting the F1 to 3 frequency. F1 is basic training, F2 is relaxation training, F3 is intensive training. Abdominal muscle building and shaping. Heat insulation pad to prevent burns. Secure handle to abdomen with straps. Note: avoid ribs on both sides. Adjust the parameters. After the customer adapts, the energy can be slowly increased to the maximum energy if the customer can bear. Take out the handle and untie the straps. Front leg firming and shaping. Secure handle to thigh quadriceps. Adjust the parameters. After After the customer adapts, the energy can be slowly increased to the maximum energy if the customer can bear. Take out the handle and untie the straps. Buttocks firming and shaping. Use straps to secure the flat handles to either side of your hips. Adjust the parameters. After the customer adapts, the energy can be slowly increased to the maximum energy if the customer can bear. Take out the handle and untie the straps. Shoulders soothing and relaxing. Secure the handle to your shoulder with straps. Adjust the parameters. After the customer adapts, the energy can be slowly increased to the maximum energy if the customer can bear. Take out the handle and untie the straps. Take out the handle and untie the straps. Rear leg firming and shaping. Take out the handle and untie the straps. 4 handles can be used simultaneously depending on the area. Cushion use. Remove the A-handle connection port on the back of the instrument, and then connect the seat cushion cable to the connection port. Parameter adjustment.